is the moment of truth. Okay, so now I will be announcing our top 3. But for now, alright, okay, so now, once again, mommies, congratulations ngayon pa lamang po. You gave us the best show. Palakpakan naman po natin ang ating mga nanay. Alright. Okay, pero alam ko, hindi po ito isang pagkatalo. Isa po itong simula para po maging tinig kayo at inspirasyon ng marami pang nanay na naririto ngayon na hindi limitado ang inyong kakayanan, hindi lang bilang isang nanay, hindi lang bilang isang kandidata, kundi isang mabuting mamamayan ng Barangay Olaes. Muli, palakpakan natin ang ating candidates, Gandang Nanay ng Olaes 2021 candidates. Alright, so now, let me announce our top 3. In no particular order. Please step forward. You are part of the top 3. Congratulations, candidate number 7, Sally Ayo. Alright, so now, Mommy, you're also in. Join our first candidate in front. Congratulations, you are also part of the top 3. Congratulations, candidate number 2, Iya Teresa Mauro. Alright, so now, this is it. Completing our top 3. Congratulations, candidate number candidate number 5, Cheryl Antarias. Alright, so now to the rest of the candidates, Mami, maraming salamat po. Palakpakan naman dyan. Alright, but before that, may request, wait lang po, mommies. Alright, please stay here in the center, please. So may we request our barangay councils to join us here, please, to award the certificate. Councils, come on, our barangay council, come on, join us here, please. Thank you so much. Maraming salamat po. Alright, let me read the certificate of participation. This is hereby given to our candidate for her time, effort, and dedication in joining Gandang Nanay ng Olaes 20. Maraming salamat po. To our candidates and of course to our barangay officials. Thank you so much. Maraming salamat po. So now, ladies, Mommy, to our top 3, pwede po muna kayong bumalik sa backstage. Sa ating top 3, pwede po muna kayong bumalik sa backstage. Pwede po kayo magpalit ng gown. Yes, uminom ng tubig. Magpakalma muna po tayo dahil susunod na po ang inyong final question. But for now, let's have an intermission number. Let's have Prisha. Alright, so once again, let's give it up for Prisha Rosales.
Ano ba type C?
Hindi po. Ay, hindi po to. Ano po ba? Hindi po. Dito.
Hello,
Sa sounds
good
po.
evening, Barangay Olaes. How is everyone doing? Gising pa, okay ba? Can we just, for one more moment, can we just give another round of applause to our beautiful mommies dito kanina. Ang gaganda na super gaganda. don't know me yet, I am your Miss Global Asian 2025. So I won second runner-up. I won the title earlier this year, this January. And if my last name seems familiar tonight, it's because my mother is one of the judges. She's the head of the judges for tonight. So I just wanna put out a word out there na totoo yung sinabi ng ating host tonight eh. Being beautiful doesn't end, or your dreams doesn't end once you become a mother. Sometimes motherhood is the step to reaching more of your dreams, diba? So, kanina, someone, sorry I don't know the name of that person, but someone here sang something by Lani Misalucha, and you know, that's one of my favorite songs. So tonight, I guess by coincidence, yun din yung na-prepare kong pang-intermission sa inyo. So, I am in no way comparing myself to a person that sang it kanina. They sang it very beautifully. But this is my own rendition, and I hope to give you all